Will office buildings be the next shoe to drop that would cause some sort of recession or a downturn in the market? So since the pandemic, since 2020, people have continued to raise fears about commercial real estate and most specifically office space. So what we have seen from companies that have office buildings is that the work from home or work remote trend definitely took full effect in 2020 and 2021. However, since then, there have been some major companies that allowed their companies to work remotely and have since changed their tune and told employees that they must report back to the office. Some of these large companies include JP Morgan Chase, Goldman Sachs, and Ford Motor Company have all said that their employees need to return to the office. So a lot of people are saying that a default on loans or that banks could be in trouble due to commercial real estate owners starting to default on these loans. However, if you look at the stock prices and look in the stock market, a lot of this is priced into what we've already seen. So either real estate companies or REITs, some of them are down 60, even 80% since the COVID pandemic hit in 2020. Listening to an earnings call from Blackstone this week, they had mentioned that they have reduced their office commercial real estate by at least 60% over the past 3-year time period. Is there hope for some of these large office buildings? One of the things that's popping up and here recently, even in Cincinnati, I did see that they were auctioning off a large commercial real estate building downtown just a couple weeks ago. One of the things that they are doing is repurposing a lot of these office buildings into apartments or residential. Companies aren't necessarily losing or dropping their leases completely, but they're restructuring their office, taking up less floors and making it more of an open type concept for a lot of their employees. So will commercial real estate be the next shoe to drop? I do believe that we've seen a lot of the stock prices reflect some of the anticipation of this market somewhat collapsing. I do think that if you are an investor or own office buildings, that could be something that it causes a lot of red flags or a lot of risk over the next 12 to 18 months. So definitely something to keep an eye on.